Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa Vlogs tutorials. So right now I am creating a unique and beautiful DIY candle holder made from the recycled beef bones. So if you have a beef bones, try to wash it. Just boil it into the hot water, add some liquid soap, then clean it and dry it off outside. And when it is already dried, you can paint it with different colors. So I have here this original beef. You can see this is original beef bones, and I painted it with acrylic gold color or golden yellow. So sit back and relax, try to watch how I paint this beef bones and transform it into a unique candle holder by using the hot glue gun. I fix it one by one. So this is how to recycle your beef bones. This is just one of my ideas that I can share it to you. So look at here, this is the original beef bones. So if you are cooking bulalo or beef soup, just collect the bones and boil it first, then clean it and dry it off. Then when it's already dried, now you can start to paint it with different colors, any colors as you wish. So you can use also nail polish if you don't have acrylic paint, so you can use any nail polish color. So that is one way of saving money. So we have to recycle the beef bone. This is already painted with acrylic paint, golden color, and I designed also with like a leaves using also the acrylic paint green color. This is a very easy project, and this is a unique candle holder. All you need is only to paint the bones and fix it with a glue. But if you want like a vintage color, no need to paint it, just fix it with a glue, and you can design whatever design you want to design. So I'm going to show you how I paint this one. Just paint it like that. Just do one stroke to paint all the side of these bones. This is just a demo for you on how to color or how to paint your beef bones. But if you have a spray paint, so it is very easy, because all you have to do is to spray only the bones. Just do it outside your house and you can spray it, and it is very beautiful when it is painted with spray paint. So there are many ways on how to recycle our waste materials, and this is one way of saving money and keeping our environment clean and save the Mother Earth from pollution, because we have already a lot of garbage every day. So let us recycle our waste. And if you want to produce as many as you can, then you can start making a business, because I'm sure this type of DIY candle holder will click to the market because it is a unique product. So guys, if you want to learn more about my DIY tutorials, different project that made from recycled materials, just visit my channel and click my playlist, how to recycle waste material. Then you can find out all my previous uploaded video tutorials. You can also use this BeefBones not only for candle holder, but you can also use this one as your necklace, pendant for your necklace, so whatever. There are a lot of usage on how to use or how to recycle the BeefBones. So it is a very simple and very easy way on how to paint this BeefBones. After painting, just leave it and keep it dry. Then you can design the bones whatever design you want. I have also like this, I created a pendant or a necklace. So try to check my playlist how to create a necklace made from BeefBones. Okay, project. This is already painted. This is a bones from the beef. Look at here. This is the real bones. I painted this one with yellow gold and design it with green acrylic paint. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So now it's already finished. So let's proceed
this
to
is already painted. So we're going to
fixing it with the glue. So you have to use the hot glue gun by fixing it one by one. So let's guys. So let's fix this one. This is the front. Just like that. Original BeefBones. I just painted with acrylic paint. Okay, so we have to fix also here a little bit. Then guys, I have here a candle. I will show you. So this is now my DIY candle holder made from the original BeefBones. If you like this tutorial, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next premiere. God bless everyone. I love you all guys. Take care. Greetings from Rafthelsa Vlogs.